Earn extra cash and accelerate your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing survey platforms, consider reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Beware of red flags like membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and complex qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take just 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your insights and pay for your opinions to gather crucial market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by taking online surveys.